It starts here: useful affiliate marketing tips for beginners. The goal of any business should be long-term success, and that's especially true when talking about affiliate marketing. Since you work off of commissions, you will need a steady stream of customers. To achieve that, you need to know about the best industry tactics and other marketing-related info. We'll cover some of it here in this video. The best way to make an affiliate marketing website at the most affordable price is to build it yourself. If you don't already know it, you want to learn some basic HTML. Even if someone else designs the site for you, you want to learn basic HTML so you can add hyperlinks at your leisure. Don't get lazy about taking advantage of new programs and trends. Check and see the latest updates of your affiliate programs. There are new ads and tools constantly being added, to increase usability and visual appeals. Even small changes like keeping your site trendy, can have a large effect on your readers. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraph short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Obviously, one video cannot possibly cover every single aspect of affiliate marketing, but this is a good start if you want to begin formulating a plan for marketing success. You can take the information you learned here and use it as a solid foundation to start building your career as an affiliate today. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.